We have the hen sitting on eggs, looks like, and we got 5 eggs. We have 4 right there. Hey Philippine shippers, welcome back again to our YouTube channel. And today's video we are going to feed our birds some vegetables right here. And it's early in the morning and it's best for them to have their soft food or their greens so that they can continue their breeding. And we have some updates as well. We have new chicks and new eggs, and I'll show you guys what's been happening in our breeding cages. So let's feed them first. So just a quick update here, guys. Last time we have 4 eggs in here in our cream. That's our pair. Those eggs have hatched, and out of 4 eggs we have 3 chicks, but 2 died. So I moved that chick here, and we have 5 eggs or 4 last time, and we got only 1 chick that have survived, so we moved that chick here as well. So we have 2 chicks in here from our silver and from our cream right here. And here we have 5 eggs. I think all are fertile, so we'll be waiting for them to hatch. And here they've laid already some new eggs, and we got 4 eggs. I think 2 are fertile, so that's good. And here our cream have also laid some eggs again. We have 4 at the moment. So hopefully those are all fertile. Right there. And a grizzled pied here. Nothing's happening to them. So no eggs. We have our CFW, our chestnuts in here. Let's check if they have some eggs. No eggs. And up here we have our normal gray and fawn pair, and I believe they have 3 eggs, but I don't think they're fertile. Our normal gray, they have again 2 chicks from different pair right there. So hopefully we have 1 cream and 1 silver. That's all the update in the breeding cage in the front right there. And we have some chicks in here. They've started to color up. Some are males, some are females, but we mostly have females right here. And I believe 3 males in there. And yeah, that's a cream fawn right there. We have a cream. Beautiful. Now let's feed our zebra finches here. So we have our zebra finches right here, and up here we have our black face cock and normal gray hen. They have few eggs, but I'm not sure if all are fertile. On the side we have our CFW and normal gray hen. They have no eggs at the moment. And down here we have our fawn pair. They have this baby, a really nice shape zebra finch. I think that zebra finch got the father's gene, which has a really nice shape. And beside them we have our CFW, and I think this one is a normal gray right there. And they have 3 chicks, all are CFW, and the other 2 chicks that are in there are not their own offspring. I think those 2 came from our mini aviary. And down here we have our black face hen and normal gray cock. They have 5 eggs, 5 hatchlings, so that's really exciting. I hope that we get more black face right there. Beside them we have our black face cock and normal gray hen. No eggs at the moment, but hopefully they will breed. And yeah, we have heaps of black face. We have our black face there, black face here, and another black face right here. So hopefully we get more. And yeah, we got our young quails right here. They've been growing good right there. So we got heaps of silver, baby silver quails right there. And our mini aviary right here. We got our zebra finches in there. So they haven't produced any chicks at all. So I think colony breeding is not that good. That's why I breed in cages. Right there, we have our, mostly we have white in this mini aviary, and that CFW right there is a black face, but the rest mostly whites and pieds. And yeah, we also have our society finches right here, or Bengalese finches, and they have quite a lot of eggs. Right there we have the hen sitting on eggs. I'm not sure if they have hatched. Yep. Looks like we have heaps of fertile eggs in there. I think there's only 3 infertile ones, or just 1. Yeah, that's really good. So I've been giving them some greens like that. So hopefully we got crested Bengalese, right, like her right there. It's beautiful. And that will be it, guys. Oh, by the way, guys, we don't have our African finches in here, so they've got sold. And I saw them building nests somewhere in here. They've started building, but yeah, I think those are the cordon blues. And yeah, they've been sold, so no African finches this season. Maybe next summer we'll get some. We'll just focus for now on our zebra finches and Bengalese, and also our lovebirds. And that will be it, guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this season we'll get more nice young zebra finches, and hopefully some nice crested Bengalese as well. And if you haven't subscribed, guys, subscribe now so you can support me. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it, and I'll see you guys on my next video. See you guys.